Hi guys, today in this tutorial I am going to explain you about the shadows. Guys, what is shadow? Shadows are shadows can be applicable for two things. One is for text and another one is for box. Fine, let me show you with the code. So I have here the body and the paragraph. In the paragraph I have a text. So I am going to write for the paragraph. I am going to style the paragraph. So I have linked the first.css file to this index.html. So the CSS I have written here will be applicable to that. So I'm selecting paragraph. Now what I'm going to give is I'm going to give text shadow. It is the attribute is text shadow. Find text shadow. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the height and width. I'm going to give the 10 pixel height and the 10 pixel width. Fine, let me execute that. No, I'm not going to get anything over here. So there is something wrong in that. So what I'm going to do is, so here I need not to put any comma over here. So that is the mistake I have made. So I got the shadow there. So I'm giving very large. So I'm going to get like this. So just let me give some color, and before that I need to make it to center. So I'm going to give the max width property. The max width is 500 pixels, and I'm going to give height property, and the height is about 400 pixels. Then I am going to set the margin property for getting it to center. Now let me change the color. So the color property I'm going to take it as green. So let me show you the output. So I got all the things, and what I need to do is I need to have some more bigger. So what I want to do is I want to make transformation text transform to uppercase. So fine, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give some letter space, text, let us find letter spacing to 2 pixels. Fine, now it is fine. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to decrease it to 10 pixels to 5 pixels. Half of that. So there is some mistake over here. So let me reload this, see what happened. Something is wrong. So see how we got that. So just make it 1 pixel and see the output. And you can't see that. Just make it 2 and you can see it better. So fine, now you can see the shadow. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some color to that. I'm going to add it to red. So the shadow became red. Now I'm going to add some blur to that. Now I got blur over there. See how beautiful it is. Now it is transformed. Now let me change the background to black. So, oh shit. Previously it was very nice. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to blue. Now it will be very fine, I think so. Fine, now it is fine. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give another color, and we can also specify another border, I mean another shadow for it. And the next shadow is little bit green, and I added two shadows, and let it be 5 pixels green blur. See, now the blur is increased. Now I'm going to make it as 10 pixels blur. See, the blur increased a lot, decreases somewhat. Now let me change this to 3 and 3. See how I got the things. So this is about the text shadow. Now what about uh, the box shadow? We can also get the box shadow. So for that, what I need to use is I need to use the just box. Instead of text, I need to use box. Fine. Now I'm going to get the things. See how it is. It is very beautiful, very beautiful. So let me increase this to 5 and this to 5. So let me see the output. See how it is going to increase. How it is increased. So the shadows are very beautiful, guys. Please try them. They are very interesting and very beautiful. So guys, in next tutorials I am going to explain you about the text. Previously I told about the CSS text, but now I am going to tell the extras added in CSS3 text styles. So guys, until then, keep practicing.